You know those moments where you think of something brilliant, a killer idea for a YouTube video, a crucial point for a meeting, or just a thought you absolutely don't want to lose. But by the time you grab your phone, unlock it, and search for a note app, it's gone, faded, lost forever in the chaos of your mind. This is the Flowtica Scribe, an AI-powered voice recording pen that doesn't just record your thoughts, it actually helps you organize, summarize, and act on them, truly thinking with you to capture what matters. As you can see there, it is just there. I'm Andrew from MrYouWho, and in this video we're going hands-on with one of the smartest AI productivity tools I've tested yet. This sleek pen-shaped AI voice recorder is built for professionals, thinkers, and pros. I'll show you the unboxing, how it pairs seamlessly with the Flowtica app, real-world note-taking tests in different environments, voice playback with its crystal clear audio, and exactly why I'm taking it with me on my New Zealand trip. And why, guys, you should consider using it in your daily workflow. So let's jump in. And remember, if you want to join the Kickstarter, there's links below, and you can also register your interest to buy this. And also like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump in. So here's the Flowtica Scribe out of the box. The build quality feels premium, it's lightweight, easy to hold, and super sleek, fitting right into your day. You get the Scribe pen itself, the Pogo pin charging cable, and a refill pack that includes 5 ink refills. That's right, this is an actual real pen. Twist the base, just like this, and as you can see there, and you can write on paper. You can write up to 300 meters, so it keeps on going. It clips into your pocket or notebook, just like any other pen, maintain that discreet, everyday look and feel. But what it does, guys, once you activate its AI brains, is way, way more powerful. And to be honest, you wouldn't think as well, would you? It looks just like a pen. You wouldn't know, so if you discreetly record meetings, people would know that this is a pen. So getting started is simple. You download the Flowtica app on your iPhone or Android, then you sign up with your email, grant microphone access for recording, and allow it to sync with your Apple reminders for seamless to-do integration. You don't even have to open the app to start. That's the beauty of it. Just hold the top button again for 2 seconds and it begins recording. You'll get a short vibration and a red flash to confirm. While recording, guys, you can tap the side flow mark button, which is just there, to highlight key memories. These are your insights and your aha moments, and they show up bolded and italicized in your notes for easy review later. When you stop recording, just hold the button for 1 second. You'll feel 2 vibrations and the pen automatically uploads and transcribes your notes in the background, thanks to the Flowtran transfer. This is a huge upgrade for most devices that needs manual transfers and delays. Just stop recording and your notes and your highlights are ready in the app. Now let me tell you about using this in the real world. Now let's use the Flowtica Scribe actually in practice. So we've got the pen just here. What we're going to do is we're going to go record an example of a meeting and show how it works with the app so you guys can see it in real time. So to start with, you hold it down like that and you feel a little buzz. Now the red light now comes on it, which you can see just there. That means it's now recording. So let's start the meeting notes. So today I'm going to do a meeting about the YouTube channel to see what are the best products out there, Flowtica Scribe being one of them. We're going to look at which products, when should we review them, the timelines behind it, and kind of what we think and how effective it will be. This will enable us to provide excellent videos for all our viewers. So when you've done that, you just hold down the button there and you can feel a little buzz. That means it's actually stopped recording. Now, you can see on the app just here, you can see it's actually downloading the audio at the moment and transcribing. So it's going to transcribe the audio and we're going to jump in and have a look how it looks. Okay, as you can see, the audio is finished transcribing. So we click on that and it gives you details about what we covered today. So meeting outlines a plan for YouTube channel's upcoming product review. The primary goal is to produce excellent videos. Now you see this excellent videos there because as I was transcribing it, I held down this button here. Now that basically takes an importance of the audio so you can focus on what to go to and have a look at it. It goes through the key planning topics as well, which you can see, so very well set out. Now you can actually go and talk to it yourself. So if you hold down the button, you can say, "Hi Flowtica Scribe, can you tell me a bit more about this product selection part of it?" So you can ask questions, you can actually query the transcript. So I could tell you a bit more about it. So there you can see there, it goes through a bit more. So it actually gives a summary of it. So it's a live way of actually talking to your transcript. Now, nothing you can do, which I really like, is you can add this to to-dos. So you can go to to-do and add it to to-do. So there you go. So we've set a task for YouTube channel content planning this afternoon. You can change the times add new notes to it as well. It really is a fantastic way of doing it. You can also put ideas on here as well by using the pen, but also using the app as well. So can you also do another reminder for the meeting at 10 o'clock to talk more about how we can make videos more exciting for people? So you've done that. And then now it adds that as a transcript as well, which you can then add to the follow-on notes. So again, excellent pen, and it really does, and the app really works perfectly. So for productivity, creating notes, it works very, very well. And I also want to show you on here as well. So I did a meeting with my mum today to do a shopping list. And as you can see, it put down all the shopping lists for us as well. And when we held down the button there, it gave us what was the most important, which is lots of bacon. So great pen, easy to use, easy to transcribe, and very much part of what I'm using in the future. So as you can see in the app, I can instantly see the clear, structured notes with my highlights front and center. Most AI notes can be too long or vague, but the Flowtica Scribe gives you actionable insights. I can say something like, what do I do next? Or turn this into a to-do. And the Ask Flowtica features turns my words into tasks, updating my list in real time. It actually syncs directly with my Apple reminders, so everything stays connected effortlessly. Guys, this is a game changer for turning thoughts into action without any friction. And as you know, I'm a busy content creator, so it's very important to have things just happening at the click. And this isn't just for notes. The Flowtica app is truly an all-in-one workplace. You can snap a photo, like this picture here in my study. I just hold the speak button and swipe up. The Snap It feature captures the image and turns into a memo or task, allowing you to capture visual inspiration and integrate it directly into your notes. Here's one more trick, guys, that blew my mind. I can use Flowtica to ask what someone said earlier in a meeting, and it gives me a direct AI-generated answer based on recording content. That kind of smart response saves me time and hassle digging through long notes. The Flowtica app itself is really clean and intuitive. It's a timeline view with all my recordings, highlights, memos, and even a smart calendar view. You can see your entire day's notes laid out in clear, synced, and organized by time. It's kind of like having Notion, Otter, and Apple Calendar all rolled into one, but completely voice first. If you're someone who thinks aloud, much like me, or brainstorms while walking, this fits perfectly into your flow. Another clever feature is flow tags. Again, press that button, it automatically based on your rules. So if you say buy milk and it's added to your shopping list, say urgent and it's flagged as very, very urgent. This is AI productivity and it truly adapts to you, powered by leading AI models. So guys, this pen's definitely going with me on my New Zealand trip. I was always thinking of video ideas while traveling, and I used to forget them because I wasn't taking notes or had to fumble with my phone. Now, I just hit record and speak. The Flowtica Scribe does the rest. It's light, pocketable, and honestly feels great in the hand. I've used a few AI voice tools before, but none as seamless and truly all-in-one as this. This device enables me to record all week without recharging, perfect for back-to-back meetings or long trips. With a 30-hour charge and 100 hours up to of taking voice recordings, it really is great. There's no screen, no fuss, just hit record and it syncs in the background, giving me clear summaries built from my videos and notes without scrubbing through long audios. If you want to learn more, guys, or back on Kickstarter, check the links below. Flowtica Scribe is here to stay. So let me know in comments, would you use something like this, or would you still use traditional notebooks and voice memos? What AI features, guys, would revolutionize your daily workflow? I'm very interested. And make sure you like the video, click subscribe, and also click the notification button. Really appreciate you here today from MrYouWho with the Flowtica Scribe.